Alright, guys, you're welcome. It's still here, and I want to try and mix this. I want to try and mix this track. I already mixed it in Logic, but I want to try and mix it live with my MR18, and see if I can just show you guys one or two tricks. So let's see how it goes. I'll be working on just the drums and percussions, just the drum and turkey drum for now. So let's go into it. Let's go into it. Let's go into it. So this is a praise made by the Adibola Shama. So okay. Alright, open the music. So I'll be starting with just the drums first. So I'm going to need a turkey drum. Let's sort out the drums. So for the drums we have the kick in, we have the kick out, we have the snare top, we have the snare bottom, we have the hi-hats, we have the tom, high tom, mid tom, and we have the floor tom. So there's actually overhead mic left and right here in this mix, but I'm not going to be using that here. I just want to mix basics for like for your church, for your events. So of course for drums I love to start with kick. So let's start with the kick. Let's drop the loop a bit first. Alright, so for the kick, I think the gain we have is enough. Gain staging is fine. And if you're doing a virtual sound check and you want to increase the gain or reduce, you just need to increase the stream. You see, you can increase it also. So I think it's fine like this. So first thing first, I love the EQ. So this is the kick in, this is the kick out. So first of all, you need to understand, okay, what should the kick out sound like? What should the kick in sound like here? Just by hearing it naturally, you should be able to get it that the kick in should get you more of the bites, more of the, the up, the high mid bites, and the kick out should get you like more of the low. Can you hear that? Yeah. So let's start this kick out. So let's see what can we do. I have to roll this up. You want to roll the high cuts, you want to roll it somewhere to like 85 to 90 is fine. So all this actually depends on the drum and the kick. Somewhere around there is fine. But you want to boost the low a bit. So I'm fine with this. You don't need much. You don't need to do much. So then you need your kick out with it. So let's do the kick out. So for the kick out, you want to look at frequencies that can you hear that? Can you hear that? So you want to take that out. So what you need for the kick out is so that it's balanced. And sometimes less is more. So you don't need a dramatic hue. So now we just EQ. Let's see how we can blend the 2K together. Yeah. So kick out. Kick in. Yeah. So we just EQ. To achieve a lot of the kick. Alright, yeah. So we'll come back to other things later, like the gate, the compressor. For now, let's just work with EQ for now. So I just want you guys to know that with EQ you can achieve a lot. Just EQ you can achieve a lot here. So now we have the snare. So snare top. Alright, so let's see. So for the snare top, you don't want to roll off the low cut too much on this. Can you see? You don't want to do that. You want to give it a bit of flesh. Yeah. So for snare, basically you're just looking for resonance that you don't want. I just want to make it bright a bit. So yeah. So for the top, this is cool. So let's get to the kick now. Yeah. Now for the snare bottom. So still just EQ. For the snare bottom, you have to roll off the EQ, the high cuts. I mean the low cuts here. Sorry, the low cuts, you have to roll it off too. So for the bottom, you just need to hear that. So you need that sparkle, but not too much. Then of course you need to remove kind of that con. Yeah. So it's subtle. Yeah. Then you have to just put it in a bit. This thing. So you don't want to put it too much, just a bit. Yeah. Alright. So that's cool. Now for the hi-hats, I like to pan the hi-hats, but majorly I pan the hi-hats based on how the drum is. The drum is always, the hi-hat is always by the left of the snare. Yeah. So I always like to make it so something like this. But let's just do the EQ first. So you just want to just give it a little bit of shimmer, just a bit. For that, you just want to just a bit, yeah. For that, you don't need. All you need is just that top, just that eye, just the, yeah. So yeah. So for the thumb one, so for the eye thumb, what do you need? Let me find a way to play back somewhere that has just the tone. Alright, yeah. So for the eye thumb, you can roll off the low just a bit. So what you're looking for, yeah, you see those frequencies what you're looking for. Yeah. So yeah, just a bit. So what you need here is just to get the tone. Look for the tone of the drums. Yeah. And a bit of the eye. So instead of an eye cut this time, let me try this. I love to experiment a lot. Yeah, I need out, you know. There's still something we need to cut out here. Okay, so for the item here, you want to just get it tone, yeah. And a bit of the bites. Then for the mid tone, the same. You want to roll off the low cuts a bit. So essence of all this is just so that it won't, there won't be so much. It won't be more at the low end there. You can give space for. Remember, kick is still coming in, talking drum is still coming in, bass is still coming in. So you guys understand. So you can't have thumb too struggling or trying to survive in the low end too. So let me try and see. Can I get? Okay. So you want to. Boost the tone a bit. just roll just a bit for the floor top. Yeah. Yeah. So let's hear everything. We just EQ. So yeah, so we just EQ. So we've been able to achieve this so far. So yeah, we've been able to achieve this so far with just EQ. Let's add the loop to it now. Alright, so this is just like step one, because this is just EQ. This is just EQ, so we still have an option to use the gates, compression, panning. I mean, we can still pan, even use effects. So